Today, I will be showing you how to request more information about a listing on Homes.com. First, make sure you are on the Homes.com homepage and logged into your account. From there, browse or search for a home listing that you're interested in. Once you find a listing you like, simply click on it to open the full property details page. When you're on the specific home listing page, look to the right side of the screen where you will see the listing agent's information. This section usually includes the agent's name, photo, and contact options. Next, click on the Send a Message button. A small message window will pop up on your screen. Here, you can enter your contact details along with your message or any questions you have about the property, such as pricing, availability, or scheduling a viewing. Once you're done typing your message, double-check your details to make sure everything is correct. Then, click Send Message to confirm and submit your request. And that is how to request more information about a listing on Homes.com. Thank you for watching.